In this video, I am going to show you how to customize the app name and icon in Glide. To start, first open the app for which you want to make these changes. Once you are inside your app, locate the settings option at the upper part of your screen and click on it. Make sure you are in the name and icon section, as this is where all the customization options are available. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see all the available options. First, let's focus on the icon. Click on the pencil here. This will open hundreds of emojis that you can select to represent your app. The icon you choose here will appear in the browser and on mobile devices as your app's main visual representation. If you prefer, you can also upload a custom icon from your own device, providing a more personalized look. Next, for the logo that appears inside your app, particularly in the navigation menu, you will need to upload it separately. Click on the Upload option in front of the logo, select the file from your device, and click Open. Once uploaded, the logo will be visible inside your app and will appear consistently throughout the navigation menu. Finally, you can customize the title of your app, which represents the app's name. You also have the option to add a short description to provide more context about your app. After completing all these steps, your app's name and icon will be fully customized, and you can share your app with anyone. And this is how you can customize app name and icon in Glide.